मंजिल है सूरज हमारी, लक्ष्य हमारा, जीत हमारी। मंजिल है सूरज हमारी, लक्ष्य हमारा, जीत हमारी। जीत का है जुनून।
Dr. Anand N. Badal for excellence in the field of science and technology. Please.
The land of Gujarat has always been the home to entrepreneurs who have set the trend and propelled the Indian economy. In 2017, Savli Technology and Business Incubator (STBI) was formed as an autonomous organization under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of Gujarat, to accelerate the development of a startup ecosystem. STBI has been further strengthened with the support of the Nidhi TBI grant of DST, Government of India. STBI is strategically located in the vicinity of the State Government Biotech Park, which is spread over 223 acres of land. STBI has been ranking amongst the top 5 Indian public bioincubators in the Biospectrum surveys. With active support of the state and central government, as also various agencies, STBI is determined to support technology-driven startups in all aspects and contribute to nation building by strengthening the knowledge economy of the state. Come, join our journey of technopreneurship. Join our journey for Startup India. Join the journey of nation building.
विज्ञान और प्रौद्योगिकी के क्षेत्र में फॉर एक्सीलेंस इन द फील्ड ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी डॉक्टर आनंद एन बाडलकर। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गुजरात के पास एक सीनियर साइंटिस्ट करके अपना कर्म करने वाले डॉक्टर आनंद बाडलकर, जिन्होंने अनुसंधान, सुविधा और नवाचार परिस्थिति तंत्र में अपने स्टेट के लिए अनोखा कार्य किया है। विज्ञान है हमारे जीवन का आधार दोस्तों। विज्ञान ने की है हर कल्पना साकार दोस्तों। विज्ञान ने की है हर मुश्किल आसान। विज्ञान ने संसार को दिया एक नया अवतार। Everything works because of science. And Dr. Anand N. Badalkar for excellence in the field of science and technology, getting this Suryata National Lifetime Achievement Award 2026.
Please put your hands together.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for a great scientist of our nation. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है। मैं माननीय सर को विनंती करती हूँ कि आप अपना मनोगत व्यक्त करें। डॉक्टर आनंद एन बडालकर
आज सर के गुरु ही हैं इधर, और इन ऑल ह्यूमिलिटी आई एक्सेप्ट दिस अवॉर्ड ऑन ॲज अ ब्लेसिंग फ्रॉम ऑल द गुरुजन हियर. सर सगळ्यांनीच म्हणजे मग ते नटनटी असो किंवा इतर लोकांचे इतके उपकार आहेत सगळ्यां आमच्यावर. महाराष्ट्राच्या बाहेर राहणारे मराठी, त्यांच्यावर सुद्धा सर एवढे सगळे उपकार आहेत लोकांचे. देर आर पीपल फ्रॉम पब्लिक सर्व्हिस, देर आर पीपल फ्रॉम सोशल सर्व्हिस, सगळ्यांचे. आणि सूर्यदत्त, द वे इट हॅज बीन वर्किंग. इनफॅक्ट वॉट आय डू इज आय नर्चर टेक्नॉलॉजी ड्रिव्हन स्टार्टअप्स. आणि सूर्य भारतची जी आज आय got to learn about the excellent work that Surya Datta is doing in form of Surya Bharat, and this has been very exciting for me. To all the young students and teachers out there, I just want to tell you a couple of things. And long story short, we have nurtured more than 200 deep tech startups. Now these are some bright minds, all Indians who have gone abroad wanting to come back and contribute to India. They could be, bright, young, talented girls. We lost them to marriages, are coming back after, a particular age and now contributing to the innovation economy in all different walks of life. There are people who are converting, for example, petrol or diesel, 4-wheelers, 6-wheelers and huge 16-wheelers also into hybrid. Just young guys, 22, 24-year-old guys who are doing this. Here are key opinion leaders from all walks of life. I want to appeal all of you. देखिए, ये विकसित भारत by 2047 ये एक जुमला नहीं है. ये हर एक यंग माइंड का एस्पिरेशन है. When our country when our beloved country, reaches 100 years, what can we gift it? What better than wanting to see it developed? And where does it start? It starts from all of us wanting to be problem solvers, identify problems, solve them sustainably, solve them in an excellent fashion, solve them with excellence, solve them in a sustainable fashion with good business models involved into it. I think this is what you and me, this is what young students and teachers can do. I think this is my appeal to all of you. I once again thank all of you for this award being conferred, and offer whichever way, if I can be of help to Surya Bharat and to Surya Dutt, it will be a great honor to me. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
ये संस्कृति मूल्य हमारे, प्रेम शांति के दीप जलाए, विश्व विजय की आस लिए हम, भारत माँ को लेके चले हम नए सुबह की ओर.